Let me ask you something. You spent 12 years in school learning algebra, history, and science, but nobody taught you how to manage money. No lessons on credit cards, no investing basics, no how-to on avoiding debt. Today, I'm breaking down why schools don't teach money, what they skip, and how you can take control, starting right now. Frugal Fox. First, this isn't a conspiracy, it's a system problem. Outdated education model. School was designed to prepare workers, not investors. The system focuses on test scores, not real-life survival skills. Teachers aren't trained in finance. Most teachers were never taught this either. It's hard to teach compound interest when you're still paying off student loans. Money is considered too personal. Talking about money makes people uncomfortable. So instead of teaching it, it gets avoided. But here's the problem. Avoiding money education doesn't protect you. It costs you. Scene shifts to Frugal Fox holding a checklist titled Missing Lessons. Credit cards and debt. No one explained interest rates. Just don't get into debt. Then suddenly, boom, you're approved for a $5,000 credit card at 18. How investing actually works. Investing isn't gambling, it's ownership. But schools never explain stocks, index funds, or how your money can work while you sleep. Taxes and paychecks. You learn what gross pay is, but not why your paycheck is smaller than expected. Lifestyle inflation. As income increases, spending increases. Nobody teaches how to keep your lifestyle steady while your wealth grows. Frugal Fox. These gaps create a cycle. People earn money, but never get ahead. Frugal Fox. When people don't understand money, they rely on debt. They work longer. They stay stuck. Meanwhile, those who do understand money start early, invest consistently, and gain freedom. This channel exists to help you switch sides. Frugal Fox. You don't need school to fix this. You need awareness and action. Learn the basics. Budgeting, emergency funds, high-yield savings accounts, investing early and consistently. Start small. You don't need thousands, just consistency. Follow financial education. Books, podcasts, channels like this one. Frugal Fox. Schools didn't teach you money, but that doesn't mean you can't master it. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who should have learned this years ago. Because staying broke is expensive, and the Frugal Fox helps you keep more of what you earn.